In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. So it's easy. For get start, go to Facebook app and you see an option that's called profile. Click this and scroll down, click three dots and scroll down. You see an option turn on professional mode. Click this and turn on. Click this. Then it will active your professional mode. Go back. You see profile digital. So now if you have any question, write in comment, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. So have a good day.